What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Tea Time with Lady Let's. Guys, we are here again, my viewers. I don't want to say guys to you. You are my tea timers. So tea timers, we are here this morning. This is December 8th, I think, and we are here in the field. We are about to harvest. It's a field of cabbage, and we are here again. So my husband is a big shot farmer. In his own right, and he's always putting, if he's doing cabbage, he's gonna put something else in the farm. So I bet there is pepper somewhere. Farming still a go on. Blessings, blessings, blessings. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also to leave a comment. Enjoy. Chocho is here to see what is ready. See a lot that is ready. Right. Good morning, God. Red's Room, Miss TT, God's Glory with Evangelist Guys. Let's read together. All my viewers and subscribers, blessed farm. And we are about to get working. We're about to get to work. Yes. Yes, ready. Ready to be harvested. And I put them up like this. And then I'll use a knife to kind of like cut it. Yeah. So, see? This one is ready. Alright. So we are gonna get jiggy. Let's get jiggy with me.
When you plant, you never know how the harvest will turn out. Some cabbage were big and full, and some were shy, but everything counts when you farm with love.
So you gotta root them up first. Pull it up first.
No, cut in one section.
Cut in one section first.
Yeah, like where you do better.
Yeah, man.
You cut.
So we want them to kind of drain. So we're turning them. Is it on the face one? But you see I should pick up in here. So we're doing it like this. For it to dry. Yeah, it's closer. Why? Big man. Struggling. It's not really like it's heavy like that. But you're ready. It's like a pot cover.
You're not ready. Soft.
Yeah.
You must have them at the work soft again.
Looking at the head, tight and clean and ready. Nothing sweeter than seeing what you plant bear fruits. Are you a farmer too? Or do you love farming? Let's get into it. Let me give you a closer view of what was going on.
See, this one is soft.
What happened there?
Not
Alright.
ready, is it?
Cut, pack, repeating. Cut, pack, repeat. When cabbage ready, you can't waste daylight. Teamwork was full in motion. One chop we just grab and straight to the pile. This was hard work, but people, we had to do it, my viewers and subscribers. Let's continue to go and grow. Gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta make some money.
So you always still have more to do. Yep, we are searching through because as you may see, some are not ready as yet. Like this little one here, not ready. Like all of these, are not ready as yet. Some of them are still coming up. So what we're doing again, we're trying to space it out, space to breed and to flourish also.
After all that moment, Billy start
Let's
talking.
get back to work. Are we gonna do it now? Roast them? We're gonna have roast corn. Share it with them, hon. Give them some. You want roast corn, Anake? Why? Still have work to do, people. But you know that we have to eat, right? And what way, better way to have the day than to eat some roast corn. Let me get this one for myself because I know that it's ready. Yep. Yes. Right. Stacy, look at this. Corns are ready. Right, so one told me to take them out, so I'm gonna take these out because they are burning. Let's go. I'm looking for a stick to help me do the work. This is the one.
Yeah, man. Mm. How you get a pop up? I'm in a thing we can reach a goal today, no.
Lunchtime is up and it's time to get back to work. As you may see, we are here packing the cabbage now. Guys, it's not easy, Not easy to be working, but when you want good, your nose have to run. That's a say that we always say a proverbs in Jamaica, right?
I know.
Help arrive exactly when we needed it. God always sends strength on time, sometimes in the form of people. And when the right hands show up, the load feels lighter. We reaped so many cabbage today, and yet the fields still look full. Truly a blessing. Lord, we thank you. There is still more work to do, and we will leave the rest to mature for a few more days. At the end of the day, tired but thankful, farming isn't easy, but it's rewarding. Every harvest remind us why we do what we do. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to share, like, subscribe, and also to leave a comment. See you next time.